You mentioned some KBS coatings. I heard we got some more to do.
Yeah, we've coated everything with KBS protection, and now we have the front side.
All right, let's dive into some of that. If you've never seen this process,
pretty cool.
Great way to handle, right, sealing, coating, and even handling the rust.
Obviously, it's a 77. You're gonna see some rust up here, some surface rust, some grease, some grime, worn out brakes. So how do you address this and make it look presentable, make it look good?
Well, not even just good, but durable.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
How do you seal off that rust?
Yeah, exactly.
Right? Well, we got a multi-step process with KBS, all super simple.
Yeah.
Why don't you walk us through what you've done already on the other side, some other bits?
Well, we used the KBS Klean first and just cleaned up, got all the rust and gunk off, and then we used the KBS Blast.
Nice.
And then we can either use the paint or the rubberized undercoat.
So we got to get the grease off, and then this guy right here, it's doing sort of an etching, right? So it's giving it some bite. Not only does it etch for a good bite, it also converts all the rust. And it leaves a zinc phosphate coating on there, which really going to protect that metal underneath the coating. You don't need a primer. You put this system on top, and you can paint it right on. It's amazing.
It's self-leveling. So even if you use a brush or a roller, it levels out and it looks like it was sprayed on by a professional.
So I think we've got to start peeling off some of these bits. We're going to upgrade all the bushings in the suspension. So we'll clean up the arm, put the new bushings in, get some brakes going, get this all cleaned up.
Maddie's already a step ahead, bro. She showed up with gloves.